I want to do it now. Eblanyo ekamafe kunta mamu watatan brantam chama bila chana de chana pasa be chana kayuno na kabila chana kayuno chama alizino omino pata yo pele cameraman see nothing there. You see nothing there inside. You see it, nothing there. You see everything.
Yeah.
Nothing there inside. I want to command money to come there. Nothing there. You see it, nothing there inside. I'm going to close it. Look at where. Haza kabacha jinema haza kabacha. Ekpelanyo ekamafe kunta mamu tatantambranta. Ibya wepo bya no yurasiru dunwanyo. Ise inyana. Chamia, ntizan la aratu mambo ne sound like counter. Come la aratu ntizan tu. Ibya no nyutinu nyurma nyura be shaka ka. Okpelanyo ekamafe kunta mamu tatantambranta. Chamia bila chane chane pasa be chane ka yuno nyanga. I command you to go to any country, to Italy and Libya, every country to bring money for me, Ghana Commercial Bank, and every bank in the world. I want to show people that power day. Haza kabata denoma haza kabata. Ekbulanyo ekamabe kuntama wata tantambranta. Ibira won for them jam. You rasuru do it's in your zone that's one born come. Chama alazimno pata yotan. Chama. Zanuna Haza kabata jinuma haza kabata ekbulanyo ekamabe kuntama wata tantambranta. Ibira won for them jam. Haza kabata chama tsana. Haza kabata jinuma haza kabata ekbulanyo ekamabe no born tam to Zangana la amaka to Zanzi chamia Ghana mom Ghana Commercial Bank. I command you to go and bring money from me. Haza kabata jinna haza real money. I command you to bring money here. People come to me, my brother, if you want any kind of help, come. Haza kabata jinuma haza kabata. I command you to go and bring Italy, go to Italy and bring Italian money. I command you. Haza kabacha jinuma haza kabacha. Haza kabacha jinuma haza. Okbilanyo ekamabe kuntamu tantambranta. Chama Italy. Ghana City. 50. Chama bila chana pasa be chana kayuno nya kabila chana kayuno nya. Kami no bibia yonkum na mbwa ne kamna tizamwe chame yonjwa ikani yere nyama kanzamba baka bicha kai haza kabacha jinuma haza kabacha ekblanyo ekamafe kunta mamu tatantambranta ibela wule mpule bia no zanu no nyira so chama biya sintizan dollars tuma mbwa ne chama tizan dollars chama bila chama de chama pasa bicha ka yuno nyanga kabila dollars real dollars my brother. Haza kabata jinuma haza kabata ekbulanyo ekamabe kunta mamu tatantambranta ibela wule mpule bia no zanu no nyira so do insana to ne kamna really chama bila channel. Yeah, if you want help, any kind of help, contact me. Haza kabata Libya, Italy. Ula. This is Euro. Euro. Yeah. My brother, if you are outside the country, come, I will help you. You see? This Euro. My brother, come. If you want to succeed forever, come to me. You will succeed. Do not say that you are tired, my brother. Come go to Commercial Bank and bring money. This 50-50. This 50-50. See. This 50-50. Cameraman, look at me so that people will know that we are charming the man. This 50-50. So if you come, I will help you. Chama haza kabacha, jinuma haza kabacha. I command you, Ghana City. Chama. Cameraman, you see, this is not edit. We are not here to joke. My brother, come to me. I will make your life, I will change your destiny. You will never suffer forever. This chief is who can challenge me? You are a pastor or you are some. Call me. I will meet you in TV station, then we will talk. Haza kabata dinuma haza kabata. Can command you to go to learn. Chama. This euro, 555, that's 50 euro. Shama, 50 euro. 50 euro. Euro. That's 50 euro. Haza kabacha jinuma haza kabacha. Ebulanyo ekamave kuntama mutatantambranta. Haza chama. That's 100 euro. 100 euro. My brother, come. If you are different country, any country at all, what are you waiting for? Come and take my number. Call me, Chief Isa. I will help you. We are not liars. See. Haza kabacha jinuma haza kabacha. Ebulanyo ekamave kuntama mutatantambranta. Look, people make me angry. That's why I'm doing it. I want to show people that if there is a charming of money, we there. People come out telling people that they can charm. Look, this is real. This is real. My brother, come. What are you waiting for? Haza kabacha jinuma haza kabacha. Ebulanyo ekamave kuntama water. Chama, go and bring money for me, eh? This waste dollars. My brother, come. What are you waiting for? Look, if you want to see money, eh? Take my number and call me. You will get it. These dollars. You see it? Dollars. I command you, don't bring dollars for me. Bring Ghana Cedi only. Ah, what is that? You bring Ghana Cedi. This 1010. You see, my brother, if you are different, come. But I don't like. If I do it for you and you are different country, I will help you when we go to Bande your countryman. My brother, this Ghana Cedi. Ghana Cedi. Come. All your problems will be solved. My brother, if you are from different country at all and you are suffering from any kind of problem, come to me this morning. My brother, the bumper yani lare. Come now. Come and take your money. Sika, sika, sika. Sika, sika, eduro, 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 Simbiane. Haza kabacha, jinuma haza kabacha. Dollars nkwa. Pasulo. What I'm saying is that people make me annoyed. This is small. This is small. This is small. This is small. I want to show people that this is small. This thing. This is small. If you want any help, my brother, come to me. If you come, I will check. If you are different place, if you like Europe, if you are in Botswana, if you are in Italy, any country at all, my brother, come to me. All your problem will be solved. Just take my number. Contact me. Chief Isa, I have this kind of problem. I will tell you what you're supposed to bring. Then I will help you. I am going to stand here to greet everybody who keep their time, who live sleeping, and watch what we are doing. We come out to tell people the truth. Please be carefully. Be carefully. We see the Malams that do it and see my own. We are different from one another. We are different from one another. So please contact my help. Contact my help. Do not go to any place for people to take your money and later you will come to me, you are crying. So I'm going to stand here to greet everybody. Tell you people that take my number on WhatsApp. Take my number, that's your screen. Take your number and WhatsApp me, call me. All your problem will be solved. I'm Chief Isa. I'm thanking you all. Bye bye.